Hey guys, I hope you're all having a great day. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video of today we are going to take a picture like this. In this picture you see a hand holding a phone, and the hand and the phone are sharp, and then around it there's a little blurriness, and then what's on the phone is actually sharp again. So the photo is taken by North Borders, this example picture, and I'll also be going into the forest. I'm gonna set up my tripod there. Make sure that I take the two photos that I'm going to take from the same spot. These two photos need to have different focus. The first photo we're going to take is the one of the phone with the hand, where that part is in focus and the whole background is blurry. And the second photo we're going to take is the one of the actual sharp part in the phone, which we will Photoshop in later on, which I will also show you how to do. So that one has to be entirely in focus. To give you some more background information on how to do that. So there's something you need to know about aperture. It's in your lens. It's like how much light is let through. But it also makes you have something else. A very wide open aperture, like 1.8 or 2.8, something like that, makes for a really blurry background, so a short depth of field. A really closed aperture makes for that your whole scene is kind of in focus, which is nice for landscapes, and which is also what we want for the second picture that we are going to take. So the first picture we are going to take, we need short depth of field, and the hand and the phone need to be in focus. For the second picture we need a long depth of field, so closed aperture, so that we have the whole scenery in focus. Actually, for the shot we're going to take today, we're going to take several things with it. First of all, 55-200 mm lens. Secondly, my old camera with my 10-20 mm lens. Thirdly, my Joby Tripod. Last but not least, I'm going to take my tripod with me to make sure that I get the two shots from the same spot. Let's get going. I parked my bike. For now I'm gonna go shoot some B-roll and find a nice spot to take the picture that I want. I've been walking in the forest, and I actually wanted to get the shot of like a kind of wider open area where a path like in the middle and some symmetry, because some trees down the road. But for that you actually need like a wider open area. And the first thing that I did when I came into the forest, like I always do, I took like the smallest shitty path with bushes all over the road actually, or the path, and adventure time. But for now I'm just gonna go and keep to the normal path and try to get to the place that I want to go. So yeah, let's just keep going. So I think I found a spot. I'm just gonna dump my stuff and get everything ready. So let's cut to that. So, okay, let's talk about setup. So what you need for this shot is a tripod with a camera on it. And for the shot I'm actually going to like put it right here. Let's show you. Okay, so what I want is for this shot to actually be a vertical shot, like a portrait shot, because I want to make it for Instagram. So I need to like change the setup of this tripod, and I want it higher because this is way too low by the ground. And yeah, so let's go and do that. So now that I got this all set up right, I got this pointed vertically onto there, so you kind of get like this shot. But then, as I'm shooting with a 35mm, so for now I'm actually going to switch to my other camera and go on. I'm going to switch to another lens because this lens is too much zoomed in for now. So I'm going to switch to my A1805mm, which will still be able to create a nice depth of field, short depth of field, but I won't have to like have meter-long arms and such. So let's switch to that. So like yeah, let's give it another try. So like yeah, as you can see, this worked just fine for my arm. I got the two pictures I wanted. The one with the phone in the hand in the foreground in focus. The second with the landscape or the scenery in focus. And let's head back to my room. So now that I've returned back home, I'm gonna go import the pictures to my laptop and figure out the right ones. Okay guys, so once you get back, you have to import your footage. So I'm importing my footage to into Lightroom. Once you've imported all your photos, you're gonna go to the photo that you want. So this one isn't actually sharp on the end. This one is. So I'm just gonna start with 5 stars. So you just go through all your pictures. So then you just click all the 5-star pictures. And you got like, I got 10 pictures left. Okay, so going over them again. Just choosing which one you like the bokeh the best, or the blurry background. So the main picture you're actually looking for like the foreground picture. So yeah, I actually like this one. What you're gonna do is you're gonna right click and then say edit in, and then edit in Adobe Photoshop. Then Photoshop is gonna start up and it's gonna take a while again. And it's here. Okay. So what you can see now is that I got my main picture in Photoshop. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna open the picture that you want actually in the background. Choose number 67, the raw file. Wait for Photoshop to open it. Just say open image. Okay, so select this and copy it. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Make a copy, duplicate layer, a copy of the background. You actually want this picture in the front and this picture in the back. Okay, so what you want to do now is you want to mask out this area in the phone, which is exactly the area your phone is actually going to light up. So you're going to want to select the lasso tool and then do Ctrl plus. And now go right along the edges of your screen. And especially these corners are like, make sure you get them nice and smooth. So press delete again or backspace, whatever you prefer. Check it out again and just repeat until you're actually happy with the result. So yeah, I'm kind of happy with this. So what I do now is I hit Ctrl S, it's gonna save it, and then I'm gonna head back to Lightroom. And then you see that I actually have the Photoshop picture in here. So now I'm just gonna edit it a bit and yeah, and I'll see. So yeah, I'm pretty much happy with that. I'm pretty glad with the pictures that I got. I'm actually really happy with the final picture that I just created in Photoshop. If you like this video, leave a like down below, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I'll catch you next time.